Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how to manage your nicknames for your headphones. As you can see, the first option in our application is name. We have to tap on it, and as you can see here we have the previous name. We have to tap on the name that you want to select. For example, I want to set EARFUN WavePro, and then I have to click save. Then sure, and now we have to just wait a moment. And if you want to delete some nickname, you just have to tap on name and reset. Then sure, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.